Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover topic number 2.3.1 multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Let us take one example, that is 0.5 into 10, 2.5 into 100 and 1.75 into 1000. First let us convert the number into the fraction, that is 5 divided by 10 into 10, that is equals to 5. 25 divided by 10 into 100, that is equals to 10 and 1 0 will be cancelled, that is equals to 250, and 175 by 100 into 1000, that is equals to 1750. If we observe here, when we have multiplied the decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, the decimal number shifts right hand side by the number of zeros in 10, 100 or 1000. If you observe in the first example, that is 0.5 into 10, the decimal number shifts right hand side by one digit, that is equals to the number of 0. In 0.5, the decimal shifts right hand side by one digit, that is 5, or we can write 5.0. In 2.5, decimal number shifts right hand side by 2 digit, that is right hand side by 2 digits, so we have 250 as the answer. And for the third example, we have 1.75 into 1000, decimal number shift right hand side by 3 digit, so 1750 is the answer. And if we observe, the value also increases, that is 5 greater than 0.5, 250 greater than 2.5, and 1750 greater than 1.75. Let us check the theory. Multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. They have taken the example, that is 1.76 multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000. In 10, the decimal number shifts to the right hand side by one digit, that is 17.6. In 100, shift right hand side by two digit, that is 176. And in 1000, decimal number shift right hand side by three digit. If digits are less, put the extra zeros at the end, that is 1760. And if we observe, the value also increases, that is 17.6 greater than 1.76, 176 greater than 1.76, and 1760 greater than 1.76. If we solve for 2.35 into 10, decimal number shift right hand side by one digit, that is 23.5. Second one 235, and for last 2350. For the third example, that is 12.356. For the first one, that is 10, decimal number shift right hand side by one digit, that is 123.56. For second one, it shift right hand side by two digit, that is 1235.6, and last it is shifted by three digit, that is 12356. Let us solve this. Try this. For the first one, decimal number the decimal shift right hand side by 1 digit because of 10. So answer will be 3.0 or 3. For second one, the decimal shifts right hand side by 2 digit. If digits are not present, then we can put extra zeros. And now shift decimal point right hand side by 2 digit, that is equals to 120. And for the third one, shift right hand side by 3 digit. So we have to make the 3 digit, put the extra zeros and then shift the decimal point, that is 56300. In next lecture we will cover exercise 2.4. Thank you.